Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I actually still think we are very likely in an uptrend on the monthly time frame. I still believe that the monthly is going to eventually go up and take out these highs, probably end up all the way up to one of these Fibonacci extension levels. I still think it looks like an expanding ABC correction, especially if you zoom out on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Now, don't get me wrong, I still think it is going up, but I do think it is going down for now, at least after looking at all the dollar pairs. I still think this is a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely looks like a running flat. I still think this is a wave 1 right here. But I am definitely coming to the conclusion after looking at the dollar indexes and all the dollar pairs together. I am actually coming to the conclusion that it probably is going to go down, probably is going to take out this low to make a proper wave 2 before it actually does go up for that big wave 3. So taking it down to the daily, as you can see what I mean. Now, this move down right here is definitely 5 waves, which I had labeled as an A, B, C, D, E. I still think this move up is a wave 1, but I think this is like basically a leading diagonal wave A. I think this move up right here is probably a higher high wave B, which definitely does happen quite a bit. And I think that we are more likely in a downtrend for a wave C, which may actually even go down, take out these lows, maybe end up looking something like that. I still think it's a wave 2, and I still think eventually it is going to go up for a wave 3. But after looking at all the dollar pairs, I am definitely leaning more towards the fact that this will continue down to make a wave C of wave 2. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. So I left my Fibonacci retracement on here because we have not passed the 78% yet. There is always a chance that it makes like a double bottom here and breaks structure to the upside. We do have interest rate coming out tomorrow for the US dollar. There's always a chance that the US dollar interest rate news could cause this to continue the uptrend. But really, at this point, it doesn't really look like it's going down in a correction anymore. It looks like on the higher time frames, this was the end of a wave C and that we're now in a downtrend. So, I mean, for me personally, until we get some sort of proof that this is actually going up on the 4-hour and daily time frame, I think we should be looking for sorts in a downtrend. So, going down to that 1-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame, we are pretty much right at the 78%, so I mean, it does seem pretty likely that we are going to make a move up. But most likely this move up is probably going to be a correction. Now, if it goes down, makes a double bottom at the 78%, that breaks structure tomorrow at the news, then I would still take it as the end of a correction, and I would still go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But at this point, I think we need to continue to look for sorts, and while we're looking for sorts, if it just keeps on trending down like I suspected it will, like I showed on the daily, then we'll learn and earn at the same time whether this is going to keep on trending down or whether it makes like a double bottom at the 78% fib level and goes up and breaks structure. So as usual, if we pay attention to structure, pay attention to price on our roadmap timeframes especially, we should be able to trade in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.